What is up there, everybody? It's Casper Trader back here with another video today, and I'm going to be showing you guys just a daily upload today, showing you the stocks I bought, stocks I sold, the money I made, and everything like that. For those who don't know who I am and what it is that I do, I'm currently doing a growth challenge from $200. You can't really see it here. Previously, I tried it from $500, but I tried options and it kind of like tanked my account. So I'm retrying with $200. And I'm growing it to $1 million. So I calculated 5% every week. It would lead to exponential growth, to growing that $200 into $1 million within the span of 3.5 years. So I'm on track to making, I was on track last week, and this week I have to make another 5%. Simple as that. So the stocks I traded today were UWT and DWT. I saw that UWT started crashing in the morning, so I wanted to get out of my position because I just noticed a head and shoulders pattern on it. And for those who don't know what a head and shoulders pattern is, I'll flash a quick image of it. So this picture here on Google Images that I found is a great example showing you guys what a head and shoulders pattern looks like with stocks. So there's always a shoulder on the left, shoulder on the right, and the head is usually where the stock price goes higher than both of the shoulders. And it always bounces around. The black line is called the neckline. And whenever it falls below, after the shoulders or before the shoulders, it usually breaks down a ton. So that's why I want to get on my UWT position, which is right here. Give me a sec. My UWT position right here. As you can see, well, you can't really see, but there was a head and shoulders pattern, and I wanted to get out of it as quick as possible because I didn't want the whole price of the stock to just collapse. So I started selling off, but the oil report came out, and the stock ended up rebounding, surprisingly, which most people thought wouldn't happen. So I ended up selling my stocks for like barely any loss. So that saved me a ton today. Instead of being down like another 3% today, I'm about break even. So today I'm about break even. Yesterday I didn't make a video, I'm sorry. I was down around $5 because of UWT. I didn't see the head and shoulders pattern when I bought it, and it ended up tanking a little bit, so I lost a little money on that. And I ended up buying DWT, which is the inverse of UWT. And I saw the head and shoulders pattern, except this way it's opposite because it's the inverse. So it's looking to bounce around the area where it is right now. And I'm hoping to get a price at around $9.60 or higher on the stock. So that'd be a really nice return of around 5% maybe. Yeah, a little higher than $9.60 would be like 5%. That's pretty nice. And for those who stayed, I have a Discord server. I created it. It's all about talking about stocks. It doesn't have to be anything strict or something. You could just find people who are interested in the same things as you are. Talk about stocks you're trading. Share like the things you're trading and what you're looking to trade. It's just a fun community for everyone just to hang out with each other. And I'm going to provide a link for that in the description. And also for those who are looking to start Robinhood, I have a link in the description as well. If you join through my link, then we both get a free stock. That means you can get a free stock. It could be even like Apple or something, which is like $170 right here. And I can also get a free stock if you use my link when you sign up. So that means it's like a win-win situation. Just use the link and we both get a free stock. So it can end up being pretty big for both of us. So if you're signing up, then that'd be the best thing to do. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Again, if you enjoyed the video, I'd really appreciate a like on it and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you enjoy my uploads. I'm uploading daily $200 to $1 million challenge. And that's basically it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you have a great day.